Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Lodhi Kaneez Fatema from Political Science Department, J.A.T Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon Dist-Nashik. You all are welcome in this video lecture, which is consist on MCQs on social justice. Dear student, this topic is our new syllabus generic elective paper for the student of TYBA. Question number 1. The term justice is derived from the word just, which is a word from term justice अक्स किया गया है वर्ड जस्ट से, जो कि कौन सी लैंग्वेज से निकला है? ए. लैटिन लैंग्वेज, बी. ग्रीक लैंग्वेज, सी. इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, डी. फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज. करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. लैटिन लैंग्वेज. Question number 2. Identify the stage of equality which reject formal institution of inequality. Option is liberal equality, natural liberty, C. democratic equality, D. economic equality. The correct answer is B. natural liberty. Question number 3. Justice is essentially a dash concept. A. legal concept, B. moral concept, C. social concept, D. all of the above. Correct answer is D. all of the above. Question number 4. Which one of the following is not the fundamental postulate of justice? Postulate means not necessary or demand. 4 ऑप्शन सही, 4 ऑप्शन में से कौन सा ऑप्शन लाजमी नहीं है जस्टिस के लिए? ए. ट्रूथ, B. equality before law, C. freedom, D. property. Correct answer is property. Next question. Choose the ministry that is entrusted with the welfare, social justice and empowerment of disadvantaged and marginalized section of the society in India. Option is A. Ministry of Welfare, B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, C. Ministry of Social Defense, D. Ministry of Education. Yes student, right answer is B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Question number 6. The free market is a product of dash. Option is A. socialism, B. feminism, C. neoliberalism, D. patriarchy. Correct answer is C. neoliberalism. Question number 7. People get the proper justice in dash. आवाम को सही इंसाफ कहाँ मिल सकता है? 4 ऑप्शन इज देयर. A. dictatorship, B. totalitarian state, C. monarchy, D. democracy. Dear student, right answer is democracy. Question number 8. The state's failure to provide individuals with basic necessities of life such as food and housing is an example of dash. Options are number 1 political injustice, number 2 economic injustice, number 3 social discrimination, number 4 gender equality. Right answer is B. economic injustice. Question number 9. Our political right and participation are ensured only when our dash. Options are A. social needs are being taken care of, B. basic needs, C. cultural needs, D. security needs. Correct answer is B. basic needs. Now this is the question number 10. This is the last question. The essential principle of modern justice is dash. The essential principle of modern justice is that dash. Options are A. Judges should be part of the executive, B. Judges should be under the control of the head of the state, C. There should be independence of judiciary, D. Justice should be under the control of the electorate. हमारा क्वेश्चन था मॉडर्न जस्टिस के लिए कौन सा उसूल लाजमी है? इसका सही जवाब है दैट शुड बी इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ जुडिशरी. हमारी जुडिशरी, हमारी अदलिया आज़ाद होनी चाहिए. मीन्स करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. थैंक यू लिसनिंग मी. थैंक यू वेरी मच.